Sleep, a time when the body relaxes, recharges, and heals. But not all of us are resting easily. According to the National Commission on Sleep Disorders, 1 in 6 Americans suffer from some degree of sleep.
Sleep, the apnea, air passages become congested and shrink a bit, blocking subtly. They needed narrow, complete obstruction in some people, so come the air into the lung to get one is excessive sleepiness. They just don't want to mallow and lack of energy.
Because the severity of sleep apnea, one key to community still only a fraction of sufferers have been dust. Methods of treatment include sleeping on breathing machines and surgery to enlarge the airway.
Because surgeries can cause complications and there may be issues to deal with because the maybe
working toward that end, all new supporting devices to help reduce snoring and the symptoms associated with those obstructive sleep. It works at between the conditions around the mouth. They close to slowly.
Ultimately, it just helps when people in your substantial mallows while you're sleeping, keeping the jaw off to support, so it can't collapse backwards, and your tongue can't collapse back and close off your air. That's everybody. You're off obstructive, but we have a very high today.
I was not getting, not like so I just figured I'd check that out. Honestly, it's apnea, and the device does help out a lot. I feel like it's 6 in the morning. Well, no, I was not tired Thursday.
The study that we did that involved 11 patients, and the patients have reported that they have been feeling better when the patient and this technology has potential.
Further show treat those that did research directly so open the door to other problems.
Those are there as far as the medical standpoint. It has made an estimate that an average can begin at least 7.5 hours of sleep every night on a consistent basis. Even one week's session clearly and sleepiness less for interest cognitive problems. Productivity will go down. So extremely important.
Many stop tired bodies. For those who sleep suffer from it can sometimes turn to a nightmare. But changes in how we can hit a special problem helps left perhaps to rest and put some of the problem to bed.